Hello everyone, myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Moya Education Societies, Moya Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai. In this lecture, we discuss about the second chapter of drug acting on ANS system, that is the adrenergic antagonist. It is also called as a sympatholytic agent or anti-adrenergic agent. Learning outcome of lecture. After the completion of this lecture, learner will able to understand introduction of CNS and ANS, definition, classification of adrenergic antagonist, drug profile of some adrenergic antagonist. Content of lecture: introduction of CNS and ANS, definition, classification of adrenergic antagonist, drug profile of some adrenergic antagonist. So first point is introduction of nervous system. So nervous system can be classified into two types: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system having a two types. First one is a somatic nervous system. Second one is a autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system can be classified into two types. First one is a sympathetic system. Second one is a parasympathetic system. Drug acting on ANS system following way. So ANS system classified into two types. First one is a sympathetic system. Second one is a parasympathetic system. According to action of drug on sympathetic system, it can be classified into the two types. First class is sympathomimetic agent. It is also called as a adrenergic agonist. And second class is sympatholytic agent. It is also called as a adrenergic antagonist. Second class of autonomic nervous system is parasympathetic system. According to action of drug, it can be classified into two types. First one is a parasympathomimetic agent, that also called as a cholinergic agonist, and second class is parasympatholytic agent, that also called as a cholinergic antagonist. Definition of adrenergic antagonist: drug which are block the response to endogenous or exogenous circulating epinephrine, or which block the response to adrenergic nerve stimulation, or which prevent the release of adrenergic transmitter substance at synaptic nerve ending, are called as a sympatholytic or anti-adrenergic drugs. Example: propranolol, parazosin. Classification of adrenergic antagonist. So adrenergic drug can be classified based on their chemical nature. So first class is alpha adrenergic blocker. Example: parazosin, tolazulin, pentolamine, phenoxybenzamine, ergotamine, ergotoxin. Second class is beta adrenergic blocker. Example: propranolol, atenolol, labetalol, practical, pinidiol, metoprolol. Next class is adrenergic neuron blocker. Example: razorpine, glutathione. Then we discuss the drug profile of some adrenergic antagonist. In this first one is a propranolol. The structure of propranolol. IUPAC name is 1-isopropyl amino 3 in the bracket 1 naphthyl oxy bracket complete propane 2-OL. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white color powder. Taste and odor. It is bitter in taste and odorless compound. Solubility: it is very slightly soluble in water and practically insoluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition: it is affected by light, hence it should be stored in airtight light resistant container. Uses: it is a typically beta adrenergic receptor blocker used in treatment of cardiac disease like angina pectoris, cardiac arrhythmia, hypertension, congestive heart failure, coronary atherosclerosis, tachycardia. Official preparation: propranolol tablet, propranolol injection, brand name Entril, Ciplar. Next adrenergic antagonist is tolazulin. The structure of tolazulin. IUPAC name is 2-benzyl 4,5-dihydro 1H imidazole. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white creamy crystalline powder. Taste and odor: it is a bitter in taste and odorless. Solubility: it is slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol and organic solvent. Storage and stability. It is affected by light, hence it should be stored in airtight, light-resistant container. Uses. It is used in treatment of plasma of peripheral blood vessel. It is used in treatment of Raynaud's disease. It is used in treatment of arthritis. Official preparation: tolazoline tablet, tolazoline eye drop, brand name tolazine. Next adrenergic antagonist is Practilol. This drug banned in India due to some side effect. The structure of Practilol: IUPAC name EN in the bracket 4 in the sub bracket 2 hydroxy 3 in the sub bracket isopropyl amino sub bracket complete propoxy sub bracket complete phenyl main bracket complete acetamide. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white powder. Taste and odor: it is a tasteless and odorless compound. Solubility: it is freely soluble in water and alcohol. Stability and storage condition: it is affected by light and air, hence it should be stored in airtight, light-resistant container. Uses: it is used in treatment of cardiac arrhythmias. It is used in treatment of hypertension. It is used in treatment of angina pectoris. Official preparation: Practilol injection, Practilol tablet, brand name Eraldine. So in this lecture, we discuss about the introduction of CNS and ENS, definition, classification of adrenergic antagonist, and drug profile of some adrenergic antagonist. Thank you.